Hello everyone, this is How Logical, and in this video I will show you guys how to view friend activity on Spotify. And if you are new to this channel, hit that like and subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you guys don't miss our future video. So without saying anything, let's start the video. So if you want to see your friend activity on Spotify, then the first thing that you guys want to do is click over here and then click on settings and then scroll down until you see display. So once you have found display, there should be an option for see what your friends are playing. So you want to turn on that setting. So once you have turned on that setting, now there should be a black box over here. So in this black box, it says go to settings and go to social and enable share my listening activity on Spotify. So let's do that. So we are on settings, then we have to go on social. So it's over here, and then it says to enable share my listening activity. So my sharing my listening activity on Spotify is over here. I want to enable that, and yeah, I think it's done. So I have done it, but it doesn't show my friend list over here because I haven't connected with my Facebook. So let's do that. So to connect my Spotify with Facebook, there is this icon over here where it says connect with Facebook. You want to click on that, and then it will ask you for your email and password. You want to type on that and then click on login. So now, as you guys can see, there are a number of people who are using Spotify, and you can see their activity and what song they like, what are they listening to daily. So in order to see them, you want to first add them. So once you have added them and they have accepted your friend request on Spotify, you can see each other's activity on Spotify. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and if you have question, feel free to comment down in the comment section. And without saying anything else, thanks for watching the video and peace out.